Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect an Ethereum wallet to MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed in your browser. If not, download it from the official website and complete the initial setup, including creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. This foundational step is crucial before proceeding with any connections. Before connecting, you need the MetaMask browser extension. Visit the official MetaMask website and add the extension to your browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Once installed, open it and either create a brand new wallet, carefully saving your seed phrase, or import an existing one using its recovery phrase. This sets up your MetaMask environment. To connect your Ethereum wallet, open MetaMask and click on the account icon in the top right. Select Import Account from the drop-down menu. You'll then have options like Private Key or JSON file. Choose the method that matches your existing Ethereum wallet's credentials, paste the private key, or upload the JSON file, then confirm. After importing, your Ethereum wallet will appear as a new account within MetaMask. You can verify the wallet address and check its balance to ensure a successful connection. Now, you can seamlessly interact with various decentralized applications using this connected wallet. Remember to always keep your private keys and seed phrases extremely secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.